In today's world, cybercrime is a growing threat that impacts millions of people each year. Whether it's identity theft, phishing scams, or a targeted attack on a business, the consequences can be devastating. The good news is that there are resources to help you report these crimes and seek justice. One of the most important resources available is the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, or IC3. The IC3 is a centralized platform that allows you to report cybercrimes directly to law enforcement. But knowing when and how to report a crime is crucial, and that's exactly what we'll break down for you today in this video. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay informed about the latest cybercrime tactics and how to protect yourself. Reporting cybercrimes with the IC3. When you've experienced cybercrime, the first thing you need to do is take action. Filing a report with the IC3 is one of the most important steps in addressing the situation and starting the process of recovery. Here's a simple guide on how to report a cybercrime with the IC3. Step 1. Collect evidence. Before you do anything, gather as much evidence as possible. This is essential for building your case. Collect emails, screenshots, chat logs, transaction records, or any other relevant documentation. The more information you have, the stronger your report will be. Keep in mind, this evidence could be crucial for investigations or even for future legal action. Step 2. Visit the IC3 website. Once you have all the evidence ready, head over to the IC3 website. The official website is ic3.gov. There, you'll find a form that you can fill out to report the crime. It's a straightforward process, but it's important that you have all your details in front of you before you begin. Step 3. Fill out the complaint form. The IC3 complaint form will ask for detailed information about the crime you're reporting. Be as specific as possible. Include dates, a description of the crime, information about financial loss, and any identifying information about the perpetrator, if available. This is where your collected materials come in handy. You may also need to include your contact information. Step 4. After reporting to the IC3. Once your complaint is filed, you will not hear from the IC3. The Federal Division uses the IC3 to field cybercrime reports and to direct the case to the most relevant law enforcement agency. Any further investigations and legal actions is at the discretion of the receiving agency. What types of cybercrimes should you report to the IC3? The IC3 is designed to process complaints related to a wide range of cybercrimes. Here's a quick breakdown of some of the most common crimes they handle. Phishing and spoofing. Fraudulent attempts to steal sensitive information by pretending to be a trustworthy entity. Identity theft. Using someone's personal information to commit fraud or other crimes. Tech support scams. Scammers trick individuals into paying for fake tech support services or installing malicious software. Business email compromise. Scams that target businesses, tricking them into transferring money or sensitive data. Online fraud. Includes scams like non-delivery of goods, auction fraud, or overpayment schemes. Ransomware. Malicious software that locks or encrypts your files, demanding payment for their release. If your experience falls under any of these categories, it's a good idea to report it to the IC3. How the IC3 supports victims and assists law enforcement. When you file a complaint with the IC3, they don't just take your report and file it away. They offer several valuable services to help victims and support investigations. Complaint submission. You can submit your complaint directly through their website, where it will be processed and referred to the appropriate law enforcement agencies. Data analysis. The IC3 analyzes trends in cybercrime, which helps law enforcement agencies understand the bigger picture and track down criminals. Resource guidance. The IC3 provides resources on how to mitigate the impact of a cybercrime, like freezing your credit or strengthening your cybersecurity. Collaboration with other agencies. The IC3 works closely with federal, state, and local law enforcement agencies, so your report will be shared with the right authorities. Knowing when to involve other agencies for your cybercrime report. While the IC3 handles many types of cybercrimes, there are times when you may need to report your issue to a different agency. Here are a few examples. Child exploitation. If the crime involves child sexual abuse material or online grooming, report it to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children as well. Financial crimes. For fraud involving investments or scams targeting the elderly, you might also want to contact the Federal Trade Commission or Securities and Exchange Commission. Local crimes. If the crime is more localized, like harassment from someone you know, it might be best to contact your local law enforcement. Why you may need immediate help beyond just the IC3. It's important to know that while reporting cybercrimes to the IC3 is crucial, the FBI and other law enforcement agencies are handling a large number of cases. As a result, the process might take longer than expected, and immediate intervention may not always be possible. That's where Blackmail.HelpLine comes in. Our team of digital investigators is available 24/7 to assist victims of cybercrime. We use state-of-the-art technology to trace the digital footprint of criminals, recover stolen data, and uncover evidence that can strengthen your legal case. If you're looking for immediate help with your situation, contact us today at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com. We can help you navigate the next steps and protect your privacy. Taking action against cybercrime. Reporting cybercrime is a critical step in protecting yourself and others from future harm. By following the steps outlined above, you can ensure that your report reaches the right authorities. While IC3 is an excellent resource, remember that there are also other agencies that might be able to help, depending on the nature of the crime. Don't hesitate to reach out for professional help if needed. Remember, you don't have to face this alone.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.